Hello friends, to install VS Code in Ubuntu, we first need to go to the browser. We need to search VS Code, and this is the official website. From here, we need to download the required package. For Ubuntu, the required package is in the dev format. So after clicking on dev, it will start the download. This setup is around 91 MB and it will take me around 20 seconds to download. For you, it depends upon the speed that you are having for the internet. And once it is downloaded, we need to click here and we need to click on show in folder. So it is downloaded and this file is present here. We now right click and click on open in terminal. To install it, we need to give some command, and the command is sudo apt get install, and the file name is this. It will ask for the admin credential, so we need to give the admin credential over here. Now it will start the installation. So the installation may take some time. As you can see, it is progressing slowly. And now it is installed. So we can see here that we have 0 package which are upgraded, 1 is newly installed, and 0 is removed. So now we have Visual Code installed. Now we can check the version of it by giving this command code -v. So the current version is 1.79.0. To open it, we can give the command as code. It will open the GUI for that. So this is the graphical user interface for the Visual Code. Here also we can see the version of this particular software. We can go to the help and then we can click on this about, and it will show us the version of the current software. So you can see that the current version is 1.79.0. With this installation, now we can proceed with coding and debugging skills. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.